Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 14b of chapter 14, Polygon. One question is written here. Question number 2. How many diagonals are there in a hexagon? How many diagonals there in a hexagon? In hexagon, number of sides n equal to 6. Therefore, formula is the number of diagonals of n sides polygon equal to n into n minus 3. n into n minus 3 by 2 equal to, but the value of n is 6 because given in hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. So 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. 3 to the 6 equal to 3 into 6 minus 3, 3. 3 3 the 9. So number of diagonals is 9. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5. A polygon has 27 diagonals. A polygon has 27 diagonals. How many sides does it have? Here find the number of diagonals. So let the required number of diagonals let the required number of diagonals be n. Let the required number of diagonals be n. So according to question, number of diagonals equal to 27. That implies formula of number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 by 2 equal to 27. That implies, remove the bracket, so n into n square minus 3n, 2 by transposition changing to multiply, here divide. So 27 into 2, 27 to the 54. That implies n square minus 3n minus 54 equal to 0. n square minus 3n minus 54 equal to 0. Factorize it. n square minus 9n plus 6n. Minus 9n plus 6n equal to minus 3n. Minus 9 into 6 equal to minus 54. Minus 54 equal to 0. Now next step is common n. So n minus 9. Now plus 6 is common. So 6 is common, then n minus 9 equal to 0. Now common is n minus 9. So left n plus 6 equal to 0. Here n minus 9 into n plus 6 equal to 0. Definitely one product is 0. If n minus 9 equal to 0, that implies n equal to minus 9 by transposition plus 9. Answer n equal to 9. Answer. If n plus 6 is 0, that implies n equal to minus 6. So number of sides is negative, it is impossible. Number of diagonals is negative. Let the required number of sides. We have to how many sides? So let the required number of sides be n. So number of sides be negative, it is impossible. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 6. The angle of a pentagon are x plus 20 degree, x plus 40 degree, x plus 60 degree, and x plus 80 degree. The smallest angle of the pentagon. Students, a pentagon has 5 sides. N equal to 5. So here n equal to 5, pentagon. Now the sum of the angles of a pentagon equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. That implies sum of the angles x plus 20 degree plus x plus 40 degree plus x plus 60 degree plus x plus 80 degree equal to x plus 20 degree, x plus 40 degree, x plus 60 degree plus x plus 80 degree, and n equal to 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. That implies x plus x 2x plus x 3x plus x 4x plus x 5x plus 20 degree plus 40 degree 60 degree plus 60 degree 120 degree plus 80 degree equal to 200 degree equal to 5 minus 2 3 into 180 degree. That implies 5x equal to 180 degree into 3 equal to 540 degree plus 200 by transposition change into minus 200 degree. That implies 5x equal to 340 degree. Now x equal to 340 degree by 5. Divide 5 6 जा 30 and 4 0 40. So 5 8 ja 40 equal to 68 degree. So a smallest angle is x. So x equal to 68 degree. This will be the answer. Understand and write. Students, next question is question number 7. Today it is last question also. In this question, the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 40 degree. How many sides does it have? The measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 40 degree. How many sides does it have? So let the required number of sides be n. Let the required number of sides be n. According to question, each exterior angle of a regular polygon equal to 40 degrees. That implies formula is 360 degree by n. Each exterior angle of n sides regular polygon equal to 360 degree by n equal to 40 degree. That implies 360 degree equal to n by transposition equal to 40 degree into n. That implies n equal to 360 degree by 40 degree. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 9s are 36 equal to n equal to 9 sides. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 14b, question number 1 to 7. Thank you. That's all.